Hi, I'm Josh Zagdansky, the Vice President of High Rise at Madison Group. Welcome to the Capitol Residences. The Capitol Theatre was originally built in 1918. It was imagined as one of Toronto's preeminent vaudeville theatres and transitioned to motion picture and then ultimately to an event space. It played host to countless premieres, celebrities, but most importantly, generations of Toronto residents. This is a truly special location, an exceptional site, balanced by an adjacent park and the exclusive surrounding neighborhoods. The homeowner at the Capitol Theatre is someone sophisticated, but someone who enjoys the fun and the grandness of life. Someone who appreciates suites designed for living, for entertaining, with amazing features and finishes, amenities that complement the lifestyle with a theatrical kids' playroom, a unique golf simulator, a luxury gym, and an imaginative outdoor space, and will enjoy oversized balconies and terraces. It is not downsizing, it is upliving. Madison and Westdale and the amazing team assembled for this project feel a great sense of responsibility and pride to be able to reimagine the Capitol Theatre as an amazing place to live, to gather, and to form community. If all the world's a stage, Act 1 starts at the Capitol.